Welcome back to Painting Tips with Gavin. This is number 16. I like the way that the reds play against the reflective quality in the bottle. That's why I chose this. To look at still life not just as objects in space, but as you would look at a landscape or a portrait. All it is light hitting planes, and the planes do different things based on their quality. As always, I key the painting up from the lightest light to the darkest dark in the scene, and then add a flat in the background in order to make the more interesting parts pop. Add a blue background with a little bit of red in it. It's cobalt blue, cerulean blue, cadmium red, and a little orange and white. In the foreground, I'm just using a sort of all those colors hued up. Thanks again for watching, and remember to subscribe.